Hi, I'm gonna sing Skyscraper by Demi Lovato. I haven't even got it up yet, so I don't know if I'm doing it now. Yeah.
Actually, don't fail. I need to first.
Here I go. I am crap at singing, by the way, just to warn you.
It's just loading.
Guys are crying. I am watching the teardrops in my hands. My silence is ending like a river with a chance. Will you have to make you alive? Everything you feeling. Take everything I have. And take everything I am. But it's made of glass. Like it's made of paper. You wanna try, you let me down. But you see from the start. Like a skyscraper. Like a skyscraper. Thank you. Easy life. Thank you. Silly.
Just you make my bleed. Now my window is still broken, but I'm standing on my feet. Look at everything I have. You can take everything I am. Make me free. I make it made of paper. I can't sing. I wanna hey, rising from the dust like a skyscraper. The skyscraper. Run, I'm gonna stay right here. It's not the again. Go run, yeah, it's a long way down, but I promise again, closer to the ground. You take everything I have, you can take everything I have. It's made of glass, it's made of paper. Oh, you know who's the skyscraper, like a skyscraper. Skyscraper. Thanks for watching. What was this?